Alright, I think we're live, but I gotta double check YouTube just in case. Go live, and I'm not sure yet. Okay, we're good. We're actually live. There we go. Copy. Wait, what the heck? Why is the thumbnail different? That's not the thumbnail that I use. Hold on a second. Save that one. There we go. Now we're good. Now we're good. Let me ping the Discord. And then we're actually ready to go. Add to gamers. There you go. Not Wolf G. Alright, gamers. There you go. Everyone has that at now. Hopefully. Hopefully. But more importantly, let's go to the project and start working on the animals a little bit more. So I have them slightly moving, like to points. It's nothing crazy. But I do want to try to do something with it. Well, not right now. I need to get I gotta set their attributes and whatever. What's up, Defective? How you doing? I do want to test something, and that's if I add a attribute through a script. If that does anything. So if I do this, this is attributes already, right? So we do this, we do script. We do this is equal to script.parent. This dot or set attribute test comma test. Now we play it. We check. Oh, not there. Workspace. Word animals. All right, test is here, so we can get that from anywhere. You doing good? Hey, want to test your game? I'm down. I am down. Let's go. Let's test it out. Let's check it out. Do you want to wait for more people to check it out with you, or do you want to just go with it? We could wait for a couple people. That way you could test it with a couple people in there instead of just us two. But it's up to you. If you want to do it right now, we can do it right now. All right, get me in there then. Get me in there. Join your lobby. I'm ready. Am I on streamer mode? I don't think I am. There you go. Oh, I gotta change the chat stuff. Hold on. It seems kind of annoying. Alright, there we go. We should have chat now. You wanna wait a little bit? We can do that. Let's wait till like at least another person or two are in here, and then we'll see if they'll join. Is it the doors thing? I kind of forgot. Alright, because this worked though, this means I can set attributes whenever I create an animal. Is the door thing? Alright, that's perfect. Oh, I'm also eating right now, so like, I realized it was 9:30. While I was eating, I was like, oh crap, I gotta go. So I ran to my computer, but I'm still eating a little bit. I'm gonna put that on, so I don't have to change the songs every time. Oh. So now I'm gonna try should I have a replicate storage for animals, or should I have them come out as like programs stuff? I don't know. Oh, you added a free cam? Oh, cool. Damn, I'm so down to see that then. Okay. So in terms of the animal stuff, I'll definitely need like a map for it. Use replicated storage for monsters and server storage for rooms. I wonder what the difference is. I guess replicated just means it's on both client and server, but server storage is just for server. Although, wouldn't you still need access to the rooms in replicated? I don't really understand how it works. I should probably like research that for like 10 minutes maybe at some point. Alright, anyways, we're gonna do this. So this is our building area. It's kind of big, but I think people would prefer if it's bigger rather than smaller. What do I do? What do I do? I guess I could add walls and stuff like that since that was the plan originally. I should also make the rotation like actually work instead of not work, because it doesn't really work right now. It's a little weird. Alright, let's add some walls. Let's add some walls. So, to add a wall, very simple. We do model. Hold on. Part, block, and then we do, we're probably gonna just work on the one, and then we're gonna do the second one right next to it. So this would be like a half wall. A wall can be too wide. I don't see why not. I could do 10. How big is that? And it's like player height, a little over. I think this works. And then we could do a half wall. Is it Control B? There you go. We could do a half wall. So it'll literally be half. Okay, that's good. I mean, there's not gonna be like a specific use for these right now, but it'll give people options to do stuff when playing a D game, maybe. So these are going to be anchored, and then now the other issue I have with these is that they're gonna have to cover up the whole tile. I make them like wide. Hey, what the frick? Come back here. My cat's trying to steal my napkin. He just yoinked it and started walking away. Oh my goodness. Alright, put this here, and then we'll make it wide. I don't really like the way it looks wide. But I also want to keep things on the 4 grid. A 4 stud grid. No, I don't like that at all. It looks really bad. What if we have them? What if we switch the whole grid to 2 blocks? No, I don't think 2 studs. I don't want to do a 2-stud grid to be horrible. We'll leave it like this maybe, and then in the game they could rotate it depending on what side they want it touching or facing. Maybe. Yeah, that might work. That might work. Okay, so this will be a half wall. Half wall. You might start soon. Alright, we'll start as soon as you feel like it. You don't have to wait for anybody. I don't really care. But I just wanted to see if you wanted more people or not, if it would change anything. This will be a wall. This is not spelled correctly, so half wall. Okay. And then it's simple as by giving them a model. You can make doors. What do you mean you can make doors? In between them? Okay. What are you doing, cat? Stop. 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 Okay, so wherever that model went that I just made, I'm gonna grab that. Oh, that's this one. Wall. I'll just call this wall part, I guess. This will be half wall part. Wall part goes into wall, and then we do another model, and then we do the half wall. Half wall. Need a half wall part in there, and then we could throw these into buildables. Well, I have been making doors in rooms for a week now. Okay. Well, I think I've seen that. Right? So this shouldn't be more than 2. That's fine. Okay, cool. You got 15 minutes? All right, just hop in the game. I'll join you right now. No one's joining anyways. It is a Monday, to be fair. Mondays can be pretty rough for everybody. Was it Adam? I forgot. Everyone's got like 3 different names. One for Discord, one for Roblox, and one for YouTube. Alright. It's Adam? Okay. Well, I'm in here now. We're good. Was there anything you added yet? Click left shift Z. Oh, the free cam. Yeah. This is kind of nice. This is pretty nice. I like this. What are you going to use it for, you think? Lockers? Oh, okay. I see. That's a good idea. I like that. Oh, so you have locker spawning on there now? Dude, your game's coming along quick. To be honest. How do I get out? Oh, there we go. Wait, how long have you been working on this? Yes. Doesn't answer my questions. Oh, I took damage. That's too late now. Alright, I think I'm dead, actually. Oh, Aiton's in here? What's up, Wolf G? I'm officially dead. And I'm dead again. Why didn't Wolf G die? Hello? That's kind of odd. You gotta nerf the spawn rates. Yeah, they're coming like after every minute or two. It's pretty. The spawn rates are a little juiced. Oh, I'm gonna die again. I mean, it's good though. It's like you have a lot of stuff working already. That's pretty nice. Your hitboxes are small. That makes sense. Well, the rooms aren't that big. I'm dead? Hello? Yeah. Those A120. Oh, okay. They do different things. I mean, the game looks like it's coming along pretty well so far. This is pretty good. I also think they move too fast, so like you can't like see them, because sometimes you'll be able to see them in the doors. But that's also up to you, depending on what you want to do. Makes a build and spawns rebounds. Oh, okay. So hit the bell, he spawns, and then he rebounds. Yep, there he is. I mean, it looks pretty good so far. Was that it that you had to show? Is there anything else that I missed? I think I'm spawning a bunch of rooms. Why is it so dark? I can't see. Yeah, it's except for a new room. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get off here, and then I'm gonna keep working on mine. That was really, really good, though. There was a lot more progress than from what I saw last time. So you're doing pretty good. Let me see. What is this? Thank you. You're welcome. Wow. Bye-bye. I don't know if you're leaving yet, but if you are leaving, then bye-bye. Alright, you gotta go. Sounds good. I'll see you later. Thank you for showing me. It's pretty sick. I'm gonna work on these animal things. Alright, so world animals, Their animals are gonna have a couple different things. So cleanliness, if they're moving, their location. I guess I should have a hostility meter. Ooh, caps lock's on. Hostility. It'll be just an integer. What else? What else? What else? I mean, I guess it's not too much else, but so depending on how clean they are, how hostile they are, how affectionate they are. Affection. That'll be a boolean. Oh no, not a boolean. Crap. We gotta do that again. All right, they're gonna have an affection meter. Notice be a number. What else do we need? I feel like they're gonna need a couple stats. That's the only problem. They're gonna need a hunger and a help meter. That's a boolean. Freak. Okay. The hunger. Nope, not that one. I gotta make it a number. There was something else I wanted to do. How do you like kill something? Well, should I have killing in this? I don't really have to. And the health meter wouldn't really make sense. I'm not really gonna be killing anything. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. We'll leave it at that. For now, that's all I can think of. So they're gonna have affection, cleanliness, hostility, hunger, and location. Oh my gosh. So let's copy this. Dog will go into replicated storage as a base animal. And now, we can do this. I guess now it would be like modeling time and then animation time and then the actual interaction timings of stuff. I also need a tool to make it so you can hold the animals. And depending on the tools you have, the easier it would be to grab them. And also how aggressive they would be. And also other tools to make it easier to grab them. So like a tranquilizer dart would like increase their capture chance. Or put them to sleep, which would increase their capture chance. Probably to 100. But like you can only shoot the tranquilizer every like while because it would be pretty strong. And also different animals would have different tranquility stats. Tranquilizer. Effectiveness. To reduce that name, we're gonna do trank chance. So there is a certain number of chance that the tranquilizer will work. Save. And then if you shoot them with a tranquilizer, they'll get aggressive. So that'll be it for that. We can also like, I mean, there will be different things like the nets and whatever. We could throw a net at them. The net would depend on their size. I guess I could just do a size stat. Like an animal, depending on if you're like a big animal or not. That will affect the tranquilizer's chances and the net's whatever's chances. Number. And alert wave. What's up, alert wave? Keep trying. As for me, some parts have already been built, but I haven't opened them yet. Feel discouraged by myself. I feel discouraged by myself all the time. I think it's a very normal thing to do for some people. And I'm one of those. So, yeah, just keep trying, like you told me. What do you mean by some parts have already been built, but you don't have them open yet? I don't really know what that means. I'm just kind of curious. Trank chance. We're gonna change it to size, and the size will affect that stuff. What's this? Working on the attributes of what animals would have and what I would be able to do to capture animals and whatever. Currently, I'm thinking about giving animals each their own size property that will impact the tranquilizer effectiveness and other tools to capture them effectiveness. Size of a dog will be a base of 5, maybe? It would depend on the dog's specific size also, because not every dog is the same. But yeah, let's do that. Now we're gonna copy that, and we're actually gonna remove the base I had in here. We're gonna move this dog over here. And we're gonna call this dog base, because this is the new base. Next up is getting stuff to work. I also will need a tool to make the capturing possible, because right now they're just gonna stick into world animals. So I need a way to move them over to held animal, and I also need some visual prompts to pop up whenever that happens. And lastly, I need to check Weeble, because I haven't checked on that in a while. Oh, I guess I don't want to check it. Okay, so if they're moving, their location will be a number that will depend on how dirty or clean they are being set. Location could be a thing of like dirty cage also, so that if a cage gets dirty. But if we're like planning on dirtying cages, I don't know if we're gonna go that in depth with that stuff as much. Let me see. Let me see. Affection. Should I have like a meter for like having to use the restroom? Because if they're gonna be in cages and whatever, they're gonna need restrooms. Unless I'm gonna dirty the cage because they're just gonna poop and pee in the cages. That'll depend. Or I just won't even add that because there's no need to. We'll figure it out later. That'll be something that'll be easy to add, I think. Great. Hunger, hostility, cleanliness, affection, location, movement, and size. I think that's all that matters. What's next? Obviously, I could work on the tools next, but let me see if I have any items on Discord that I was needing. So affection, food meter, cleanliness, obedience. Oh, obedience and food, I think. No, I think I have food. But obedience. That'll be a number. You create it in the style of Ready Player One, but it probably won't be 100% golf because it's definitely going to be affected by copyright issues. So I won't. You have to avoid that a bit. All right, all right. So you're making a golf game then? This, I guess we could start working on tools, maybe? Just a little bit. And then... No, I don't really want to work on tools just yet. I don't know why, but I don't. What do I want to work on? Why am I so stuck on this one question? So... should I just get all the building stuff made? Maybe? Potentially? We're gonna finish this. So, certified script, shop items module. Oh, I do have half wall and wall in here. What? When did I get even? Oh, I think I did that before. The offset might be a base of 1. Zero, zero, zero. Okay. No, they just might have to be offset by 1, I think, because that's not enough. Okay, go ahead and play that. Build mode. There's no walls. Go back to here. We're gonna add the walls into here temporarily. Wall and half wall. Is wall uppercase? Yeah. Build mode, half wall and wall. There's no an index with name. Attempted index nil with name. First change UI, attempted to index. What? What do you mean? Object first find first child to clone primary part that name. Oh, I don't think these have primary parts. That's what it was. So the half wall will have a primary part of the half wall part, and then the wall will have the same thing. Okay, and I should be able to do this. Index. What? The frick? What is going on? Are we not passing through an object? I click this. The wall gets made, but the positions are not being set properly. Workspace. Tycoon. Plot. Building. No. Wait, what? Place objects. I forgot it was a folder. Okay, so half wall part. Pivot, offset, blah, blah, blah. Interesting. Why are we getting a bunch of errors then? Because I actually don't know. Is it offset.y? Attempted index nil with index.y. So their offset's not being set? Oh, duh. Yo, I make the dumbest mistakes. Alright, that's good. Now it works. Not that one. This one. Yeah, that doesn't look right. I don't like that. It also should just be on the outside, not the inside. Oh, right. I need to offset X's and whatever's. So the X offset will become. Where's this half wall? Where's the freaking half wall, bro? The wall right here. It's also like halfway in the floor, so it's gonna have to change. It probably needs like a 1-for-1 size changing difference, maybe. Anyways, we're gonna do the X position. Pay attention to that. So Z is gonna be -3. So then you move 3 up. And then the X position looks fine to me. So this will be 5. This will be 10. This will be -3. This should also be -3. Realistically, I could just set the walls to have a half position. Nope, that's a little too high. 7. Still a little too high. Probably 5, maybe? I don't know, man. This is just knowing in practice and testing out and seeing if it's good or not. That's good. Alright, well now it looks better. The only thing is I probably want it to be individualized by there. So that will probably have to be its own setup here. So tile size would be half in this case. But maybe we change that later because we don't really need that right now. Yeah, okay. We could do it later. It's not really an issue right now. So half walls and walls work. I'm gonna have to theorize with my girlfriend what we should add. You created the game, but you wanted Bloxy Award, but the dream is too far away. When will it come to fruition? Currently discouraged. It's about patience. It's about patience with yourself. When it comes to programming, it's just really about patience and taking in new information and learning from past failures. It's never, you're never gonna get perfect on the first try, and it's just never gonna happen because you don't have any practice. A lot of people that do really good games either stumble upon them by accident, or they just are very diligent and have made a lot of mistakes, and they learn from those, and then they try something else, or they try to work from something that's already made that they enjoy, and then they just build upon that, or make it different, or just make it however they feel like they should have changed it. So it's just a lot about being patient, I think. Specifically with programming. Programming is just kind of a thing where you're just patient with. Alright, I sent a message to see what we're going to do with this game. No. Okay, cat night. But my monitor just turns off randomly. It's so frustrating. I really don't like when it happens. Okay, there we go. So, the animal... You know what? I should just make a tool at this point. This is... I'm never going to be able to work with this stuff. Starter player. I think it's starter pack is a tool. So we have this tool here. Can we focus on it? Is it this? That's not it. Tool. Texture ID. Don't have one. I forgot to make tools, I'm not gonna lie. Let's go into learning. Let's go into learn. Creator Hub. What's up, you? How are you doing? How's you been? Tool. No. I forgot where to do it. Just make it so complicated. Experiences, maybe? Project assets, blah, blah, blah. Where the frick is this? Roblox, learning. Learn Roblox Studio. Exactly. And we do this, and we go to scripting, and we go to intermediate gameplay, and then we do, there's a different one that was like specifically for tools. I think it's this one. No, it was creating player tools. Perfect. The tool object is the basis of any object. Insert a tool into workspace and emit blaster. To workspace. And blaster. Add a mesh part. Okay. Mesh ID and mesh whatever's, but I don't really have a texture ID or mesh ID, so we're kind of just gonna ignore that for now. And then the handle. Tools can be kept in a game as a collectible tools or given to players as starter tools. During gameplay, unequipped tools are stored within the player's hierarchy in the backpack. And if to the character model when equipped, any tool that becomes a child of a character will automatically be equipped. Storing tools in starter pack, will place it in the backpack. Position orientation can be changed using the grip properties. Grip properties here. Alright, that's way over there. I'm not I'm not locking that. Okay, let's move this up. No. Let's move this guy. Ew, why do you always say hi and then you always send a question mark? I don't really understand. I never understand. Like, you always send those two things back to back. What do you mean by question mark? Okay, the tool is it's not getting picked up for some reason. I don't really remember why. Can be dropped, requires handle. Determine whether a tool functions without a handle. Oh, I guess we'd need a handle. Handles. No. No, maybe I don't remember this part. Okay, let's go back. The blaster handle, I guess it's just a part. Oh, it's the mesh part. And then name a handle. Material mesh name. Handle. Yeah, there you go. Okay. I just needed the name. Alright, cool. So that works. Not that good at English. Okay. That makes sense. Alright, so we have the handle. We just need to make it so that we click something. Which I'd rather not recast. So it'll be a local script within the tool. Script. Local script. Yeah. So in here, it's going to be tool is equal to script.parent. And then mouse. How do we do mouse again? I forgot. We're going to do this. So somewhere over here, I have the mouse controller. 23 days until high school. Oh my goodness. Are you nervous or anxious or anything? That sounds kind of crazy. Let's grab this. Let's close out everything useless here. Alright. So then mouse is that, and then there's like mouse dot target. So if, or I guess on mouse use, local function mouse use, and then we do mouse dot click mouse dot use. There was one that I have to button one done. There we go. Connect, and then we're gonna do mouse use. So mouse use, and then we do target mouse dot target dot parent. Okay, so if the target's parent is equal to world animals, then we tell the world that, hey, we're capturing this animal, so mouse dot target dot parent is equal to the held animal, which is a model, but I might make it a folder because there's no reason not to, I guess. Workspace, folder, held animal. So we're gonna do that. Now still targeting that parent is equal to workspace dot held animal. And that should be pretty much it. But we're also gonna need an event in here for later. So server script service. No. Well, yes, technically, but not right now. So this weird Pokemon trap mix is kind of interesting. I'm gonna do something else. What am I doing right now? I'm working on getting the animals properly moved over and usable to like different parents and stuff like that. So like there's gonna be world animals that you're gonna be able to capture, and then whenever you capture one, it goes into your held animal storage. So like the animal you're carrying at the moment, and then you take it to the rescue once you have an animal in your hands, basically. So that's kind of like the what's gonna happen type of thing. Yeah, I kind of play Yorishika. Alright, I'm done for that. So yeah, I'm just trying to make it so that way we can move animals into held animal space. Hey, the princess, how are you doing? I haven't seen you in a minute. Look, the princess, we have a really cute dog. He's so cute. Look at his little face. Oh, remember I tear up. I am tearing up for some reason. What the frick? Alright. Now, Field's very light Pokemon. I feel like it's very light Pokemon. This is not light. This is not Pokemon. This one is I guess this kind of sounds like a little bit Pokemon-ish. That's interesting. You're doing great. That's good to hear. And of course, I'm gonna ask. That's manners. Alright, so we're gonna create an event for captured animal, and this needs to be an event because it needs to get servers. Replicated storage, spawn animal, shop selection, purchase event, move animal 2. That's a position thing. Event. Yeah, what's up, Duxie? Yeah, I'm about to use an unreliable remote event. I don't even know what the point is that is. I'm gonna have to figure that out at some point. A remote event for caught animal, and this will do two things. But we're gonna do game dot replicated storage dot replicate storage. Already got that. And we're gonna do caught animal. I guess not. Oh, why is it in buildables? Caught animal dot, or we could do fire server. And we're gonna pass in the local player. So play game dot players dot local player. And then we're also gonna pass through the animal that we caught. So mouse dot target dot parent. So we're gonna tell the server, hey, we're catching this animal. and then the server actually moves the animal to parent to things if the animals or whatever's are done doing whatever's. So I go to my server script services and I do initialize server. We're just gonna do it in here for now because kind of lazy. Game dot replicated storage dot animal dot server function get the player, and then we're gonna get the animal, and then we're gonna just print the player dot name. What the frick did I just do? That was a weird keybind. Okay. Player.name. I thought if YouTube does well, I might be more motivated to get team, but I'm still not. You know, Duxie, that's the problem. You and I are very similar. We both slightly look for outside motivations to motivate our personal things, but it's not really how it works. I was struggling with that a little bit today or yesterday. It's just you don't need perfect motivation every day. Yesterday I was really struggling with it. Like genuinely, I was like, dude, I'm done with YouTube. I'm so done with everything. I can't do anything right now. But don't let outside things affect your motivations and desires and whatever. You gotta learn what drives you more on your own, and then try to build on that, basically. Dude, Fake Red, you're so late today. It's crazy. I even added the Discord. How good are you day right now? Today's been pretty good. I didn't really want to stream today when I woke up. I was like, dude, I don't want to do anything. I was genuinely like done. Like yesterday was like really like, it wasn't like the worst day. It was just kind of like, yesterday kind of sucked, but like in a lot of like stupid ways. And so I was like, dude, I'm so done with everything right now. It was kind of dumb. And then today I was like, I don't want to do anything. But today I got back to streaming. And then usually whenever I start doing stuff, I'm like chill and like happy with it. But getting to the point of like starting doing stuff is so much harder than actually just doing the thing. Like I have such a hard time getting myself like motivated to start editing a video. But once I start editing the video, I'm like, oh, this is pretty fun. I'm like enjoying it. But it's just like getting to that point is just the worst. It took so long to find emoji. Add Faker, did you update your Minesweeper? Alright, the Minesweeper. Yeah, I don't think Faker is working on Minesweeper anymore. It took a long time to find the emojis. That's pretty funny. You're working on a song. Oh my gosh. You've woken up from slumber, Azeroth. Well, welcome. I was told to tell you that you're my second favorite subscriber. By my first favorite subscriber, allegedly. Alright, animal dot parent is equal to workspace dot held animal. Well, actually, no. This should just tell the server. This should be on server event, but then we tell the player we do workspace dot held animal. It's not that. It's actually on the server side we should have fake. Animal dot parent is equal to workspace dot held animal. And we'll have a folder for server. Server all held animals. All held animals. The workspace dot held animal dot all held animals. But client side is not gonna do that. Took a quick break from Zombops to do a lobby matching commission. Oh my gosh. How do you do lobby matching? What? Red, what software are you using for songs? Oh yeah, what software are you using? I'm gonna have to like, I'm gonna have to use one. And so whatever you're using, I'm probably gonna end up using. All right, workspace. Wait, also the Azeroth, how easy is that lobby matchmaking stuff? Faker, it's not embarrassing, bro. We don't even know how to make music. Just tell us. Workspace held animals. That's true, but then we also have to do a check-in here. Check if player can hold animal. Much easier than pathfinding, but a bit annoying to debug. Okay. Alright. Alright, so then we're gonna check if we can hold an animal, and then we're gonna fire back on this game that replicated storage dot or fire client. No wait, what am I doing? Hot animal, fire client, player, and then animal. So you're gonna tell the client, hey, we checked it. You are allowed to catch this animal. So in here, not in the tool, in starter player scripts player manager. This is perfect. Then here we're gonna do game dot replicated storage dot caught animal dot on client event connect, and then this will be animal. Or we do function catches an animal, and then we do animal dot parent is equal to workspace dot held animal. Okay. Studio can't allow for TPing to different places for the same experience, so I have to go to actual Roblox game. So do you have to make... I guess I don't really understand how that works either, is how you send players to different servers. But I don't think it's as hard as I think it is. Use GarageBand. Yeah, why is that embarrassing? It's horrible software? That's fine. I mean, I don't use anything. Why is it embarrassing? Yeah. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it really doesn't matter. Working on a car in BMNG. It's a car lots of people wanted me to do. It's a Ford Fiesta small American hatchback, I think. Wait, you're actually kind of crazy, though. The fact that you can actually make cars, make a whole car in a game is insane. Which I already said that before, but it's pretty awesome. This is the car you're making? I think this one. That's probably this one, more specifically. Well, the hatchback, right? You said? So probably this one. Yep. Alright. It's one of these that I said maybe. But probably the hatchback, because that makes more sense. Okay, so let's do held animal goes to there, and so now we're holding the animal, and then we can also below here we could do animation stuff or UI to show animal being held. So we could do that later. Wait, I love this song. I just don't know what it is exactly. Oh wait, I kind of do actually. Dude, I'm such a weeb. But like, not really. What is the definition of a weeb? Because I don't actually know if I'm a weeb or not. Weeb meaning and origin. Let's figure this out. A weeb is short for weeaboo. Okay, reading into that. They're obsessive. Wait, used by users of 4chan and told obsessive fans of Japanese culture. Alright, well, I guess I'm not an obsessive fan. But I am a fan. What do you do when you file app corrupted? I have no idea, EU. I'm sorry. You cry about it, I guess. That's what I do. The Degenerate weep. I just like I like Japanese culture, but I also just really like their music because their music's really good. But like not just the anime songs, like the actual like music that they produce over there is actually pretty good. Specifically a few people. We could do animation stuff in here, but we're gonna move it to there, so this should actually work. Workspace, held animals is currently holding that. And if we click on this, it didn't work. Nice. Alright, where the heck is this tool? Alright. Oh, friend caught? Oh wait, this song is a banger, but with the lo-fi version, it's actually really cool too. I actually like both of them now. This is pretty crazy. You're just staring at your screen. Starting it? I'm assuming you mean staring and listening to stream. I don't know what I'm doing. It happens to all of us, Duxie. You nearly finished with it and you're performing the last few tests just to make sure the steering wheel spins and number of dashboard functions. Nice. Can you send a video of it in Discord? Like a small video? Because I kind of want to see it. If you want to. You don't have to, but I think it'd be really cool to see. We're gonna print mouse.target.name. You know what? I feel like trying to compose music. I don't know why. I'm gonna go try something right now. You feel like you want to compose music? Okay. Baseplate. Root part. Oh, right. We gotta do parent.parent. I forgot. That's my bad. Parent.parent. Phone call? Wait, hold on. My friend's calling me. I'll be 1 second, guys. Hey, sorry. Yeah, I'm muted right now. Just gonna be 1 second. Somebody's just calling me. My bad. My bad, guys. Alright, my bad, guys. My bad. You like sharing stuff, but you're not comfortable with the cars. That's alright. If you try to record them, it fidoodles with the code and broken textures appear everywhere. That's weird. Okay, no worries. Still don't know why to do it. Is your mic off? Yeah, it was off. Sorry. Mods are quite private and close friends. I can access them because all they are experimental. Oh, okay, that sounds good. Don't worry about it, the princess. It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. It's just a question. All right, so this should work though. So parent, world, space, world animals. That should be good. Root part. And then, did it go through? Held animals. No, it did not. World animals is still there. I guess I should print target dot parent dot parent dot name and find out where that's at. Unless I just like misspelled it again, which I normally do. World animals. Yep. Seems like a misspelling error. Right? Maybe? No? Oh. Kind of. Okay, so now it should go through. Caught. We caught the animal. The animal should be in held animals. It's not. It's still in world animals. Okay. Okay, weird. But we did catch it, so that's good to know. That's good to know. Retro. Is it just me, or do you sometimes want to learn new stuff because you think you have lots of free time, but then other times you realize you already have too much things, but you're not doing them? Yeah. I was kind of thinking about that. That's why I'm delaying getting into music stuff, because one, I'm like super excited to music because I'm not really good at music. But what's up, native? I'm just gonna say that real quick. But yeah, I'm not like super into learning music right now because when I did try a long time ago, I didn't really like it because I wasn't good at it. But that's kind of like it. Anyways, we're gonna move on. I do want to try to do music, but I also know I already have a lot on my plate. So when I said that I wanted to do music, I knew I was kind of already busy. It's stuff. The tool script is right here. So replicated storage, caught animals. This will be a game that plays a local player, and then mouse.target.parent, which should be the dog. And then that should get passed through to here. I should send print animal dot name dot was caught, and then I'll know if that gets sent through. So you can get rid of this stuff now. In the player manager, we could print animal dot name, see if we're actually getting this or not. Nope, it doesn't work at all now. Right? Question mark. local script. This should work because we just saw it work. And then we go to initialize server. Oh, on server event. No, wait, that should be good. Connect function. There we go. And then here should also be the same thing. Connect. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so boom. Parent of player cannot be changed. Okay, we're not trying to change the parent of the player. Why did you get that idea? Okay, parent of player cannot be changed inside of initialize server 10. Why would that think we're doing player? Connects the given function to the event and returns a Roblox connection script that represents it. Player. Does that work? To the index null of name. Do we do capital player now? We stop. And then we do capital player here. I think it's because you passed the player as an argument from the local script. The server script already has an argument for that. Damn argument became the player as well. Oh. That makes sense. That does make sense. So how do I get the player from here? I thought I'd have to pass it. So local script, this is the tool. All right, Cat, you're getting off the desk. Do I have to use this or is it fire? Fire server. I mean the local script doesn't pass the player, only put the argument in the server script. Okay, so I'm gonna just do animal. Or mouse to target parent. We're just gonna do that one. Index with no with name, but I can't get the player. So how do I get the player within here then? Because I need to pass through the player when I fire client. Connects the given function to the player event. Well, I swear I would have had to get the player first, no? Or maybe I'm stupid and I do player, and then animal is already there, so just do that. Instead of type of player animal. One thing you always did as a kid was sit on the field of grass and wait for nature to like butterflies to land on you and fall asleep. That's kind of awesome. Why is that so like... Hey, thank you, Duxie. That worked. That definitely worked. Okay. Wait, that sounds really awesome, Princess. That sounds like an anime moment or like a movie moment. All the animal. It didn't get placed in here. All the animals, because it got placed in the server side. Okay, so. I guess we'll add an attribute for help player holding. And then we can get rid of all held animals. Wait, we can add a reference to it inside the server script. We don't need to set it to a folder. So, local current held animals is equal to that. We do table dot insert into current held animals, and we do animal, and then the animal does not need, or to make it easier, we could set the attribute to held by a player. Are you firing a remote event to the server and then back to the client to get the animal? That was kind of the play, but I've realized I'm gonna change it to something else. Because I need to tell, so the thing is, in the server, it has to double check if you can hold the animal. Because if you can hold it, then it will be good. But like, if someone changes the code for like cheating purposes, then they just like, hey, I'm gonna catch this animal, and then they catch the animal. It's not like fair type of thing. So we're just gonna send it to server. Server's gonna be like, hey, you can catch the animal, and then we'll send it back. We'll be like, okay, here, you caught the animal, take it. I think, does that work? I think you can just fire a remote function to the server and return something to the client. Oh, wait, how? You mean like just literally return? Like that? That would make sense. I guess that would work. And I didn't think it would work like that because I wasn't like told anywhere that I could. Maybe? No, like use a remote function instead of remote event. Oh. Is that a thing? Remote function. What the freak? That's a thing. That's a thing. Okay, well. Okay. Caught animal. Get it renamed now. Caught animal. Is this a thing still? This will probably get deleted. This will probably get saved. That will get deleted. Inside the tool, we could do, in here, we'll do that. And local animal is equal to mouse dot target. The way you fire it is different than a remote event. Yeah, I was thinking about that. I was just fixing this little thing real quick. So yeah, we do this. Caught animal. Find first child. So we're gonna do. I'm gonna just. I'm not doing that. Roblox remote event. Remote function. Sorry. Function. Yeah. We're good. Invoke client, invoke server. Okay, so invoke server evokes the remote function, which in turn calls the on server invoke callback. Invoke client. I know it's only one. So yeah, I guess in the local script it only has CD server. Learning remote function? Yes, sir. Invokes remote function, which in turn calls the on server invoke callback. Values to pass on the server, invoke any callback. Okay, so we're gonna invoke player. Player game dot players dot local player. We're gonna pass through animal dot parent. All right, so we got that, and then there's no code examples. Okay, cool, thank you. Appreciate that. Invoke server. If X remote function, which in turn calls the on-server invoke callback, since this method is used to communicate from client to server, it will only work when they use the local script. If a returned result is not needed, it's recommended to use fire server. Any type of Roblox object such as enum, instance, or others can be passed through parameters. As well as luau types such as number strings. Code sample, please. Okay, remote function. Invoke server. Okay, right here. Invoke server. New part is equal to that. Okay. Well, we have animal, so we just do local x is equal to that. And then just to make it readable, we're gonna do that. If x, if not x, turn. Or else we're gonna continue. So print local x is equal to animal.parent.parent equals workspace.animal. Workspace.held animal. This can go back. Animal.parent. Oh wait, no, we passed through animal parent. So, well, no, we're just gonna do x. I don't know, man. We'll just get x back. Hold on. Okay, so this should technically work. Now we check. No, nothing. Okay, well, actually, I did get that, so that makes sense. Roblox AI assistant exists. Nah, it doesn't. Not for me. I enjoy struggling until I can't solve it, and then I figure out the answer by having to do that eventually. I need to do server side to remove function. That's fair. That is fair. Okay, so in here we're gonna do evoke local connection script. So remote function. Okay. Get reference to remote function. Remote function that on server evoke is equal to create part. Alright. So game dot replicate storage dot caught animal dot on server invoke is equal to, this will become a function. Local, a function. Give it a name of can catch animal. This is equal to can catch animal. Okay, we pass through player animal. This should be good. Return animal. Okay, that should be good. I'm not gonna look at it too long. All held animals is not a valid member. Okay, maybe I should have looked at it a little longer. Get rid of this, and that should be it. Am I being distracted by the stream in a good way? I hope so. Question mark. I really want to play this playlist again. It was so good. It was actually so good. Which one do we do? Inabukomori, but it's lo-fi. I've never heard Inabukomori, so we'll find out if it's good, I guess. You forgot the parameters for the can catch animal function. It's okay now. Because we pass through the same things now, don't we? Pass through player and animal. Well, we'll see. I don't really know what else I would do. So let me see. Fire client is not a valid member of remote function. Yes, you are right about that. I mean, when you called it, or does it automatically get them? I called it when I do it in the tool. No, did it right here. I think I've already done them. Parent of player cannot be changed. Oh, maybe I don't need the parent. I don't need the player still. I thought I would need it after switching to this, so I guess not. So pass through animal. Play. Now we do not build mode. You. Dog was caught. We've done it. Is green server? Blue is local? Think so. Okay, so workspace held animal dog. Perfect. Now whatever is moving the animal. Server animals. Yeah, we'll figure that out later. I don't really care about this right now. Well, actually, that was just move animal to random position. And that was for animals and all animals. Now, so we could do dirty animal. And then we could do move animal to random position. So inside of here, if animal dot parent is equal to, or dot name is equal to held. Wait, no, don't have an attribute for this. So if animal get attribute held player held player holding get attribute player holding is equal to string dot. Is there an empty string? No. So if animal is that, so now we do, if it's not this, then we return. Okay, so this should be good. So if the animal is currently being held, and then inside of initialize server, we do animal was caught, and then we do animal dot set attribute. Do we do part? No, it doesn't change anything. Set attribute, player holding, comma, player dot name. I mean, I guess technically I should not make it not. I should just make it if it's equal to world animal. Animals. And all that. Parent. Dot name. What does the do when passing parameters like I needed part animals? I've never used that. Well, I was trying to see if I could tell the game, hey, animal is a part, but it didn't work. Because I was told that if you do local something part, and then you do name it, okay, and you can do KK dot, and then it would autofill stuff, but it doesn't seem like it works. I was trying to see if I get autofilling stuff, but it didn't work. What's up, Poto? You doing good today, Poto? You chilling? So I guess it shows properties because it knows what it is. That's what, yeah, that's kind of what I was trying to do, but I forgot who told me to that I could do that, and it's also not working. So I'm also probably not doing it how they told me to do it. That's useful. I never knew. Well, it still doesn't work. I don't know if it doesn't work for me, so I don't know. What's your good news, Poto? What happened? So in here, in here. Okay, so now animals can go to wild animal. But at least you know about it, lol. At least you do kind of know about it if it works or not. You're not learning Lua. That's okay. No. You don't have to learn Lua. It's not a big deal. Is that good news, though? Is that the good news you have? I feel like that's neutral news. Unless you just didn't want to, then it's good news for you, I guess. You wish this game was finished right now? It's almost done, Fake Red. It's almost done. Can you not tell? I'm aware that exists. Yes. That's all that matters. Duxie. Even if you don't know how it works, at least you know it does somehow work somewhere. Release when? Azeroth, don't actually ask that question because like there's like 10 people in the Discord that are constantly like telling me to release it, and it's like not even close to anywhere near done. 2063. It's literally almost done. 2063 is a little of an exaggeration. Maybe in 2025. 2025 is the latest it'll get done. This game is pretty close, I'm gonna be honest. At least 30, 35. It's just gonna take me 1,010 years to finish this game. Oh, you meant you're learning Lua? Oh, okay, good. That's pretty sick. Okay, that's exciting. I was like, not learning Lua is like whatever, but heck yeah, Photo. That's actually big. As long as you know it exists, you'll eventually find it useful and actually search up how it works. Use the coding AI, right? I refuse to use coding AI, by the way. But for that case, just try to figure out how that thing works. I guess I can search up how it works. Roblox initialize a variable as a type. Local whatever equals whatever. There's no answer. Wait. Just figure out how to declare variables. Just basically just my number 1, 2, 3. So first put local, meaning it's local variable, and then a variable name. So this is a variable name. And then the next is a variable type, such as if it was a string, you put string, and etc. And lastly, you put the variable value. It corresponds to variable types. Hello, otherwise. Okay, let's figure this out, Duxie. So if we do server animal, I guess that doesn't matter where I am. I'm gonna go somewhere easy. So in here, local my part. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, Duxie, my part. Oh my gosh. It's got the stuff. It's got the autofill. Thank goodness. Let's freaking go. Type checking over. There's more type setting, to be fair. Duxie, that's how you do it. That's how you get the autofill. I'm definitely gonna start using that way more now that I know how it actually works, dude. How it actually works. That'd be so convenient. I mean, if you're just making a variable, it would have autofill anyway, so. No, it wouldn't. No, 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 no. It wouldn't, because if you're passing through animal in here, if you do part, now I can actually do animal.name and it autofills. Whereas if I don't have this, we just do animal.name doesn't autofill. See? Look at that. It autofills. But if you're just making a specific type thing, kind of, it works most of the yeah. Like, I know what you're saying. Like, if Roblox knows what it is, it will set it as its type. So, like, tool. This is because it's being set to a part. But it's different. Because if we're making an empty... Like, if you need a local mouse is equal to nil, and you're going to set it to later, like something later, then you could do, hey, this is a vector 3. Whatever. So then autofills exclamation mark X. Or the capital X, whatever. If you do strict in the first line of your script, it'll type check your whole script. Oh, nice. That's actually kind of sick. So pretty much useful for parameters only. It's useful if you ever set anything in a nil, personally speaking. But I'm probably going to do it for everything because I like having it organized like that. Alright, anyways, I have too much code. I gotta get rid of some code. We'll get rid of this mouse controller script. I don't really like it. It's got too much. Alright. What's next? So we caught the animal. We got the tool. Got the player manager. The player manager actually doesn't need to be opened anymore. Okay, well, that will get figured out later. New animal, dirty animal, move animal. Da, 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 da. Let's get this back. Alright. Alright. The next step is we have the animal getting held. We're gonna have to do its affection and everything over time. And whenever it spawns, it will get a random affection meter. And random stuff. I guess I could do that now. Just set it up for later. Local function spawn animal name. So this will be dude, look at that. Oh, that's so nice. Boom, easy. It's done. It's fun. Okay, anyways, cleanliness is equal to, yep, random number. And this is just gonna get rid of. So whenever it spawns, you're gonna get the animal name, clone it, animal.parent is equal to world animals, pivot to spawn in a random pivot position. Wait, this is spawning in a different random area. We'll set this later. Positions will get set later. Animal set attribute cleanliness. Our next value location is equal to 1. I will keep location as 1 for world space. Animal type, animal info, animal.type. Dude, look at that. I didn't even think about that. I don't even know what this is, but it figured it out. I don't remember. I don't have an animal type, that's why. Animal name is equal to animal name. We don't have an attribute for animal name, so we're not doing that. You're making a patrol and we can't wait, hold on. Should I continue scripting school or use something else? It's not actual scripting school, it's a Roblox game. You're making a patrol mechanic. Faker, do you have any ideas on what you should use? What you should use? I don't really know what you mean by the question. Photo. Yeah, I don't. He doesn't get it either. What do you mean by what you should use, Photo? Okay. Oh. Poto. Oh, true. Poto's not in a Discord, so you can't see it. Poto, I can send you 2 links. Although the first one probably wouldn't be the best one. Let's go, Beginner's Guide to Lua. I would start here. This is the base Roblox stuff. I have no idea. Duxie, if you say racial slurs, it won't pop up. I'm just kidding. I don't think you said anything weird. Poto, you can use that. That's the base Roblox documentation stuff, tutorial stuff. I would recommend using that stuff primarily. It is the that's where I started, and it was pretty good. Alright, next we're doing can catch animals, whatever, server animals, spawn animal script, replicate storage dot animals. I think that's right. Yeah. I'm gonna put this tool in the starter pack. Your message didn't show up again, what? Are you putting like a link or something in there, Duxie? It's not gonna let you do that if you're putting a link. I can't see what's going in chat though. You're gonna try it, but you're on phone. Hold on, let me see I can find your messages. Automated filters, hidden users, bias screens. What the heck? I hate users? Interesting. Defaults, comments on your channel, setting applies to new posts, comment moderation, basic. General guideline. I guess it's fine. Yeah, I don't see any comments that would have gone deleted. I don't know. Might try your on phone right now. No, just quotation marks. That's weird. What's up, Naif? You're just saying I think Poto was talking about a game called Lua Learning on Roblox. You could check it out if you want. Oh, okay. Maybe? He was like that. I don't know. Once you learn scripting, it could be cool. You can make whatever your heart desires when you learn scripting. As long as you are patient with it. Alright. Anyways. I feel like I've made too much progress today. Kind of I feel like I'm stuck right now. I don't know what to work on exactly. But I know how to script. I'm not cool. You can finally fry. You know, animals should have a part on them where it says on interact enable, like how I have for the other parts. Because I'm going to have to do that anyways, because I want people to get close to capture them. But temporarily, while I do the tool, it'll be temporarily cool to do for now. I don't know. I'm gonna have to start streaming longer. I'm like back to like what I used to stream. I'm only streaming like an hour and a half, and I'm tired now. Okay, so let's line it up. Perfect. That's beautiful. You can probably fit into cool. If you're tired, you could play. Maybe. But probably not. I don't feel like playing games right now. If I feel like doing stuff, because I've been lazy the last 2 days. I don't like that. But I'd like kind of needed it. So my next step is to maybe just finish stream. Everyone just joined. I'm sorry. Let me think. I actually I genuinely think about what I want to do right now. What is it? What is it in animals? You know what? I don't know what I want to do exactly right now with the animals because I haven't really discussed too much about what I should do with the game and what we're gonna do. So I could also learn terraining stuff next because we're gonna need to do some terrain stuff. Okay, so I might stop here. This will be a very short stream. Next time I get on. You're lazy every day, so don't complain. Yeah, but if I'm like 17,000 years older than you, I have to be productive. It's different. It's different. Okay. Next stream, I'm gonna do terraining at least, at minimum. And then after that, I will come up with a list of things I need to get done. And then we'll work from there. Once again, because you're 71,000 years old. Next stream, I'll have a list of things to do, and I won't be as lost as I am this time. And the same as every time, thank you for joining. It's corny. Who cares? Thank you for joining. I appreciate it every single time. But yeah, I'm gonna come back next time with a list of things to do, and I will know what to do. Because right now I don't really know what to do. Deuces. I'm gonna go eat some ramen noodles because I just bought the shrimp flavored. It tastes so good. It tastes amazing. Blender question mark? I'm not a blender guy. That's not me. Maybe I'll learn it at some point. But I want to do just programming related stuff. See everybody though. Goodbye.